Welcome to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video I'm gonna
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes
try out the T-Seal. What is a T-Seal? Well, the T-Seal is supposed to be it's almost like, let's say it would be like a Teflon, but it's not a Teflon, where you put it on top of your vinyl. I believe you could put it on top of DTG and all those things. Not DTG, DTF. I'm not sure, but I know definitely on vinyl, you could actually put it on top of your vinyl, and it would make the vinyl go into the fabric. Like, I don't know, it's supposed to make it feel better, look as if it's in the fabric, feel like it's in the fabric. So your boy order one from DTFpro.com. If after the video it works and everything, you like it, the link is down below for you to go check it out yourself. But I want to show you what it looked like. Give me a second. All right, so this is it. This is what it comes in. Okay, I got it from DTG Pro. So I'm gonna open it. Bam! It comes in an envelope, okay, and you could use it up to like 350 to 500 uses, and it also tell you the temperature you have to press it. And now remember, this is post production you're gonna use this on. You cannot, when you put the vinyl down, you have to press your vinyl first, then you put this on top, and the temperature I believe should be anywhere between 270 or 290, but it cannot go above 300. All right, so we got to keep it below 300. All right, so this is it, and there you go. It tells you it lasts up to 500 press. Okay, and this is 11 by 17 by 16.5, baby. All right, so this is the A3. So let me open it, see what it looks like. This is it. Okay, we got a glossy side. Now we got the matte side. All right, so we are going to check this bad boy out right now because I have a shirt that I'm gonna press up right now. So let's just roll into the video. While I was weeding out the vinyl, I had to take an important call, which was very frustrated. So while I was doing it, I also weed out the E in free, and the S in is, and the E in karate. So as you guys could tell, you know, I make that big boo-boo, but I just keep going with the video. I didn't want to stop. So when you look at it like now, you could see that there's missing letter, but you know, it was for demonstration purpose only. So let's keep going. Okay, I want to show you guys something. I don't think you could see it, probably not, but it's supposed to look like this with I don't think you guys could see it. When you use the seal, it should look like this, like the vinyl is in the product, like, you know, they become one. And this is an image without the T seal. So this is what I'm looking for, not this. All right, so my machine is about to be ready to press, like, you know, another 30 seconds, and we're gonna press the first product. This is the instruction they sent with the product when you order it from DTG Pro. So the instruction said before using it, I need to press it on the rubber side, which is this side, the glossy side. It said press it for 20 seconds on medium pressure. It said to press it, but I have to make sure the rubber side is facing down. You know, like the garment is on the bottom, the rubber side is down, for 20 seconds. And the reason why they said to press it for 20 seconds, they want to get it conditioned, you know, get it ready for the pressing on top of your garment. So now I have to raise my temperature back up because you have to press it at 270. Okay, so I'm setting my pressure to go back up, and then we're gonna press. Okay, so I'm using the Econno transfer vinyl. So I'm gonna press it first, and then I'm gonna use the T-seal on it. See how nice that Econno transfer peel? Okay, so now I'm gonna use the T-seal on top of it and see. As you can see, it's already kinda in the garment already. You know, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good already. I always press my garment twice, but this is what it looks like. All right, so let's use the T-seal and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's at 270. And remember, we're gonna use the rubbery part, okay? That's the part that look a little glossy. So I'm gonna put it down on it. Okay, it said press for 20 seconds on medium pressure. Okay, so let's go. Okay, and it said also, you know, peel back, wait 5 seconds, and peel back easy. Take your time and peel back. I'm not gonna lie, actually looks like it's in the fabric. It's amazing. You can see it. That's got you a real close up. You saw what it looked like before. Look, you could actually see it. This beauty does work. Look at that. Wow, you could actually see that it's in the fabric. I am so amazed. Look at that. Wow. I am truly amazed that it does look like it's inside the fabric and it feels real good. Wait, is it on it? Wait, is there vinyl on top of it? Because I can't feel the vinyl. Wow, I am amazed. This thing really works. Wow. So I went ahead and I flipped the garment over because this is also the Econno transfer glitter vinyl. So I flip it over and I'm also gonna press it with the T-seal. So let's press it for 20 seconds and I wanna see what it does to the glitter. Okay, make sure the rubber side is down. It feels rubbery, so you know it's the rubber side. Okay, so it said wait 5 seconds. So I'm waiting 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, peel it back slowly. And it feels real good. I mean, it doesn't, since this is glitter, of course, you're gonna feel the glitter on it, but it feels fantastic. Wow, I am impressed. I'm very impressed with it. Great product. I am super impressed. This is also the result of the T-seal. Look at that. It just looked like it's in the fabric. Take a good look, guys. This is the Econno transfer white vinyl I'm using. And it looks like it's inside the fabric. Wow. T-seal, baby. So this is the finish. All right, it feels so good that it actually feel like it's inside the fabric, and you could see it too, like it's inside the fabric. And you know, it also feels good on the glitter. I know it's glitter, so you're really not gonna see too much different, because you know the glitter. This is the Econo Transfer vinyl, and I'm also using Econo Transfer vinyl here, and that's what I tested on, the Econo Transfer vinyl, and it feels fantastic. So remember, you cannot use it on sublimation products. So I give it an A+ in my book. If you want to try it for yourself, the link is down below, dtg.com. Go check out my link down below. Use my link. They sell sublimation product, but they're specialized in DTF and DTG products, so go check them out. That's where I get my DTF products from. All right, link is down below. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment. Until next time, I'll catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.